We'll guide you through how to fix cannot pair AirPods to an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as you're then unable to go and have your sound and music coming through them. So let's go and get into how you can fix this. First of all, come onto the AirPods. What you want to do is make sure they're both in the case. Look on the back. If there's a button, you need to go and tap and hold it. Tap and hold it until it starts glowing orange on the front and you can release and wait for it to reset. If there's no button like mine, what you need to do is just open up the case, double tap the green light, double tap it again, then again. It will beep and start glowing orange, then wait for it to start glowing white again. In the meantime, come onto your Android, tap and hold the side power button. What you then need to do is go and press restart and press restart again. When the device is back on and the AirPods are glowing white, you want to go and swipe up like so and come into your settings. Go into connections and then go to Bluetooth. Make sure it's switched on. Come into your paired devices. If you've connected them before, press the gear or cog icon to the right and you want to go and press unpair and confirm the decision. Then what you want to do is go down and look in available devices. They should go and be there. If they aren't, go and close the lid and open it again. And then what you can do is go and press scan if needed in the top right, then tap and we can go and pair. Hopefully now you've successfully gone and paired and the issue is solved.